Hello,
Hello.
what's your name?
My name is Tony.
How old are you?
I is old.
Okay, hello Tony. What animal is this?
Is a duck.
What does a duck say?
A duck say quack quack.
Very good. What is the color of the duck?
Is yellow.
Good job. What does a cow say?
A cow say moo.
Do you like cow?
No, I don't.
Okay. What is this?
Is a dog.
Okay. What animal is this?
Is a dog.
What does a dog say?
A dog say woof woof.
Very good. What is this?
Is a hen.
What does a hen say?
A hen say quack quack.
Very good. What animal is this?
Is a goose.
A
Goose.
goat. Okay. What does a goat say?
A goose say meh meh.
Do you like goats?
No, I don't.
Okay. What animal is this?
It's a cat.
What does a cat say?
A cat say meow meow.
What is the color of the cat?
It's orange.
Good job. What is this?
It's a rabbit.
What does a rabbit say?
A rabbit say come come.
What is this?
It's yeah.
What is this?
It's a donkey.
What does a donkey say?
A donkey say hi.
Hiya, good job. What is this?
It's a sheep.
What does a sheep say?
A sheep say bye bye.
Yes.
It's,
What is this?
It's a horse.
What does a horse say?
A horse say neigh neigh.
What is the color of the horse?
It's brown.
Job. What is this?
It's a pig.
What does the pig say?
A pig say I.
What is the color of the pig?
It's pink.
Do you like pigs?
No, I don't.
Okay. What is this?
It's a rooster.
Okay, what does a rooster say?
A rooster say cock-a-doodle.
What is this?
It's a turkey.
What does a turkey say?
A turkey say gobble gobble.
Do you like turkeys?
No, I don't.
Okay. What is this?
It's a bus.
What does a bird say?
A bus say tweet tweet.
Good job. High five.